Hello, viewers. Our food today that we are cooking is going to be the egg sardine spinach mix for wraps or bread, low carb wrap or bread. Here we have two boiled eggs, and we just sliced it in a bowl, and we are going to add one avocado, ripe avocado, into it, as you are seeing here. So we are scooping it out of the skin. In doing this, you can either use a spoon instead of knife that I'm using. So you be careful with your hands. And this is a very good low carb meal for breakfast. And maybe between I take it mid breakfast around 11 a.m. It's very filling. When you drink it with coffee or tea or your regular herb tea, it is very filling because of the avocado. The avocado is a good fat, and then the egg is a protein for building of your cells. Then the next thing is we're going to add sardine in oil. This is called Titus sardine in oil. Everything, the 3 pieces of the fish. This is fish in oil. It's called Titus, and that is it. We don't add the oil to it, just the fish, and then we add the about 4 shakes of ground black pepper. Next, we add the spinach, shredded spinach, into it, and then next is our shredded cheese in it. Yummy. And then we'll mix all together. Try to mix all together, as you see here. Next is squeezing some lemon juice, not a full half, but a sizable quantity. And then we add our olive oil, compressed olive oil, just about maybe 15 mils or 20 mils of it, very little. And we match all of them together to become a paste. Next, we're going to add shakes of about 4 shakes of salt as well. Match all of them together with a fork, as I'm doing it now, as you are seeing. And this also is even good for dinner. Maybe you had a heavy lunch and you just want something light. So this is, this is a low carb meal that you can just put in your wrap and eat. And the wrap that we have is the smallest size of wrap, that is of about 25 net zero, but it's about 25 calories per slice, per piece. So you get two of them. And then we are going to warm it in the microwave. We'll warm it in the microwave, or you can put it in the toaster. Warm it up in your toaster. But here I'm warming it in my microwave. And when it's warming it, the both of them, for about 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll put the mixture at the middle of the wrap. The wrap is 0-carb wrap, but it still has some calories, about 25 to 30 calories per piece. So the two of them will be 60 calories, then of course including what you have, the filling. So it's quite low in calories. So you can even just eat that, can eat it as dinner like this. But here I am taking it as a breakfast, or I'll say brunch, with coffee. I made my coffee to enjoy it with. And that is it. Very simple, quick breakfast. If you have all the ingredients in the house, it is very, very quick. So, and that is it. That's my coffee. Thanks for watching. Try it and comment. Come back to comment. But please like, subscribe, and share the video to people. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.